Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a best offer on eBay. Best offer lets your customer offer you a price that they're willing to pay on buy it now items. The seller decides whether to accept, reject, or counter your offer. This is the digital version of price haggling, and eBay is very famous for it. Best offer is a great way for your customer to buy the item they've been looking for at a bargain price. When you add the best offer option to your eBay listings, you're inviting buyers to negotiate with you. Adding the best offer to your listing increases your chance of a successful sale. You can set your preferences to automatically accept or decline offers of a certain amount and use the counteroffer feature to negotiate with prospective buyers. Now let's walk you through how to do this on eBay. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Log into your eBay Seller Hub account at www.ebay.com/sellerhub. Once you're in, hover your mouse to the listing tab and select Active on the drop-down. You can put a check on the item on where you want to add a best offer. You can also put a check on all of them. The action bar on top should be available. Click the Actions button and select Add Best Offer on the drop-down. If you've placed a check on all of your items, eBay will determine the items that are eligible. Only fixed price items without variations are eligible for the best offer option. It's your choice if you would want to automatically accept offers. Just specify the percentage off or the amount off for your item. The same goes for automatically declining the offers. Just specify the percentage off or the amount off. The specified automation should show up on your listing on the right. Once you're all set, just click the Add Best Offer button at the bottom. A tag with the best offer added is on the listing with the best offer option available. So that's how you add a best offer option for your listings on eBay. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on socials with the links below. Thanks for watching!